Welcome, Form 4, Add Maths, Past Years, SBP. Topic, Quadratic Function. Diagram 6 shows the graph of quadratic function fx equals 7 minus m brackets x plus k squared. Now the first thing you realize that this given function, we can write it as fx equals negative m brackets x plus k square plus 7. What I did, I exchanged the two terms. The one involving m, I write in front, and the 7, I write behind. Now the given form here, this given form, looks same as fx equals to a brackets x plus b square plus c, which is this function is actually complete the square. So the original given function, exchange the terms, it is similar to the complete the square. And we know that in complete the square, the number outside the bracket c is the y coordinate, and to get the x coordinate, go inside the brackets x plus b, make it 0, you will get the x coordinate. That means from complete the square function, I can get the x coordinate and the y coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinates of the maximum or minimum point. In this question, of course, it is a maximum point because the graph shape U. And another thing, this x coordinate is same as the equation of axis of symmetry. Now we go back to the graph and complete the graph. The 7 is the x-intercept, so x is 7. In x-intercept, the y is 0. The negative 1 also x-intercept, x negative 1, x-intercept, y is 0. And the 5 is the y-intercept c, and in y-intercept, x is 0. So we actually have got 3 points. 7, 0, negative 1, 0, and 0, 5. And in this graph, in the shape of n, it has what we call the axis of symmetry, which goes through the maximum point. Okay? And remember, axis of symmetry, it will divide the graph into two equal parts. Negative 1 to 0, this is 1, and then 0 to 7 is 7. So the total length from negative 1 and 7 is 8. The total length is 8. Axis of symmetry will divide the 8 to 4 and 4. So now we have 7. If I minus 4, I'm going to get 3. Or negative 1 plus 4 also get 3. So this point which I mark, it is x coordinate 3. So this x equals 3 is the x coordinate of the maximum point, which is also the equation of axis of symmetry. Now we start part A. Find the value of k. As usual, we start from what they ask. They are asking k. I go to the quadratic function, which has the k, and then I exchange place the 7 and the m term, which I have fx equal to negative m x plus k square plus 7. And don't forget, this is complete the square, whereby if I go inside the brackets x plus k, make it 0, I will get x negative k. And remember, this is the x coordinate of the maximum point. Okay, and then if you go back to the diagram, we have already got the x coordinate 3, already got by completing the diagram. So now here, the x is 3, so 3 is negative k, Therefore, k is negative 3. I times negative on both sides. I got first answer. Second question, find n. Again, I go back to the function which has the n. Want to find n? I go to the function that has n. And remember, this fx same as y. Fx same as y. And the k was negative 3. So I substitute the k with negative 3 and the fx with y. The others copy back. So y equals to 7 minus m brackets x minus 3 squared. So from here, if I want to find m, I just have to substitute the coordinate x and y. By substituting the coordinate x and y, I can get m. We can take any coordinates. We can take 7, 0, negative 1, 0, or 0, 5. Okay? I am taking 0, 5, easy. So that means the y is 5. That y is 5 equals 7 minus n. And we want to find. And the x is 0. So y substitute 5, x substitute 0. That is why I got 0 minus 3 squared. So this is 5 equals 7 minus negative 3 squared is 9. So I have 5 equals 7 minus 9m. I take the minus 9m to the left hand side. I have 9m equals 7 minus 5. I took the 5 to the right hand side. So I have 9m equals to 2. Transfer the 9, I have m equals to 2 over 9. And finally, part C, find the coordinate of the maximum point. Again, I go back to the function that was given. M is 2 over 9, we already got. And then k was 3, substitute. I substitute the m and the k. M is 2 over 9, k is 3. So now, our fx is 7 minus 2 over 9x minus 3 squared. I'm just, again, I exchange place. So fx equals to negative 2 over 9, x minus 3 squared plus 7. Keep in mind that this was actually complete the square. Fx equals to a bracket x plus b bracket square plus c, whereby the c was the y coordinate. So here, in this complete the square, this is the c y coordinate. So I have the y coordinate 7, x coordinate already got. Therefore, the coordinate of the maximum point is x3, y7. Okay? Don't forget, the first story was here. The given equation was following fx equals to a, x plus b bracket square plus c. You must realize that the given function is actually complete the square. So you must remember the format of complete the square. And then, in that complete the square, the number outside the bracket is the y coordinate of maximum or minimum point. And inside the brackets, make it 0, you get the x coordinate, which is also equation of axis of symmetry. So our final answer for C was the coordinate of maximum point 3, 7. This is quite a long question. Thank you.